Something unexpected just happened in the drone world, and it completely changes the story around DJI's next ultralight drone. Earlier leaks made the upcoming Mini 5 Pro look strange and bulky, almost as if DJI was experimenting with awkward cage-style propeller guards that didn't belong on a compact drone at all. A lot of people assumed the Mini lineup was about to lose the sleek design that made it so popular. But a new video has surfaced, and it tells a very different story. Recent footage circulating online shows a mountain biker preparing for a ride, while a small drone sits on the ground nearby. What caught everyone's attention was the drone itself. Instead of those bulky protective cages people feared, the device appears clean, compact, and very much in line with DJI's familiar Mini design language. The propellers fold neatly, the frame looks refined, and the motors appear redesigned with visible ventilation openings. In other words, the Mini 5 Pro looks exactly like the lightweight powerhouse many enthusiasts were hoping for. According to several well-known drone insiders and industry watchers, the timeline for this drone is moving faster than expected. Information coming from reliable sources suggests the launch window could be just around the corner, possibly arriving earlier than most analysts originally predicted. That alone has sparked a lot of excitement, because the Mini series has consistently pushed the limits of what a sub-250-gram drone can do. And if you enjoy following the latest tech leaks, hidden upgrades, and smart buying advice before most people even hear about it, consider subscribing so you never miss the updates that actually matter. Now let's talk about the biggest rumored upgrade, the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to introduce something that many creators have been asking for years, a much larger image sensor. Reports suggest DJI may finally equip this ultralight drone with a 1-inch sensor. For a drone that still falls under the lightweight category, that would be a massive leap forward. A sensor that size would capture significantly more light, leading to better low-light performance, stronger dynamic range, and sharper overall image quality. If this rumor turns out to be accurate, the Mini 5 Pro could deliver footage that rivals drones much larger and more expensive than itself. For travel creators, vloggers, and filmmakers who value portability, that combination of power and size could be incredibly appealing. Another interesting change appears to be the gimbal and camera module design. Early images suggest the camera housing is slightly larger and more exposed than previous Mini drones. Unlike earlier models that had protective side flaps around the gimbal, this new design seems more open and flexible. That change allows for a much wider range of movement, possibly even enabling full 360-degree camera rotation. If DJI really brings that level of freedom to a drone this small, it could open up entirely new creative possibilities. Cinematic shots that previously required larger drones or specialized rigs might suddenly become possible on something that weighs less than a smartphone. Obstacle sensing is also expected to see improvements. The Mini 5 Pro may include a forward-facing infrared sensing system designed to detect obstacles at a greater distance, even in low-light conditions. This system could allow the drone to identify objects several meters ahead while flying, helping prevent collisions and making autonomous flight modes more reliable. When you look closely at leaked images of the drone body, you can see slightly larger sensor areas built into the frame. These changes suggest DJI may have redesigned parts of the chassis specifically to integrate improved sensing technology without limiting the gimbal's movement. Under the hood, performance upgrades are also expected. The motors appear to have been redesigned with ventilation openings, which will help them stay cooler during flight. Better cooling often means improved efficiency and potentially strong performance in windy conditions. Another small but very welcome improvement is the rumored addition of quick-release propellers. Anyone who has used earlier Mini drones knows how frustrating those tiny propeller screws could be. A quick-release system will make propeller changes much faster and easier, especially for creators who travel frequently. Storage is another area where DJI may add convenience. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to include built-in internal storage, possibly around 32 gigabytes. While most users will still rely on microSD cards, having internal storage acts as a useful backup in case you forget your car before a flight. Battery life could be one of the most exciting upgrades of all. Early information suggests the drone may feature a larger battery than previous Mini models, potentially delivering significantly longer flight times. Estimates indicate the standard battery could offer around 45 minutes of flight, while an extended battery option might push that even further. For a drone this small, approaching the 1-hour flight mark would be a remarkable achievement. Longer flight times mean fewer battery swaps, more time capturing footage, and a much smoother shooting experience overall. Transmission performance is also expected to remain top tier. The Mini 5 Pro will likely use DJI's advanced 04 transmission system, allowing pilots to maintain a strong connection over extremely long distances. This system is already known for its reliability and low-latency video transmission, making it ideal for both casual pilots and professional creators. Compatibility with DJI's latest controllers is also anticipated. The drone should work with controllers that include built-in screens, as well as smartphone-based controllers. Some reports even suggest support for motion controllers and FPV goggles, allowing pilots to experience a more immersive flying style if they want. DJI may also experiment with new convenience features aimed at creators. There have been hints about voice command functionality that could allow users to trigger certain actions without touching the controller. Another rumored addition is in-app audio recording, which would be particularly useful for vloggers who want to narrate their shots while flying. There's also speculation about a dedicated flight mode button that could trigger pre-programmed cinematic shots automatically. Imagine launching the drone, pressing one button, and instantly capturing complex camera movements designed to look like professional aerial footage. So when might we actually see the Mini 5 Pro? Based on testing footage and reports from reliable industry insiders, the drone could appear sometime around late summer or early fall of 2025. Pricing estimates suggest the base version might start somewhere around the mid-800s in US dollars, while a full fly more combo with extra batteries and a premium controller could push the price closer to the $1,000 range. If those specifications and price estimates hold true, DJI may once again redefine what people expect from a lightweight drone. A sub-250-gram drone with a large sensor, advanced obstacle detection, extended flight time, and long-range transmission could easily become the new benchmark for portable aerial cameras. But drones are only part of the story right now, because another major camera brand may also be preparing a significant comeback. For years, GoPro dominated the action camera market. Its cameras became the go-to choice for adventurers, athletes, and content creators who needed something durable and reliable. However, in recent years, many fans have felt that new GoPro models weren't bringing the same level of excitement or innovation as before. That might be about to change. The next generation model, widely rumored to be called the GoPro Hero 14 Black, is expected to introduce several meaningful upgrades. If the rumors are accurate, this could be one of the most important updates the company has released in quite some time. GoPro has traditionally launched new cameras around September each year, and many sources expect the same schedule this time. That means the Hero 14 Black could arrive in early fall, following the company's familiar annual release pattern. One of the most talked about rumored features is a larger image sensor. For years, GoPro cameras relied heavily on software processing improvements rather than dramatically increasing sensor size. A larger sensor would change that approach by capturing more light, improving low-light performance and dynamic range. Interestingly, the camera may not increase its resolution beyond the current 5.3K video capability. Instead, the focus seems to be on improving the quality of each pixel rather than simply increasing the total number of pixels. That approach often results in cleaner footage, richer colors, and more natural detail. Another expected upgrade is a redesigned display that stretches closer to the edges of the camera body. A larger viewing area would make it easier to frame shots and review footage directly on the device. There are also rumors about improvements to the physical controls. Dedicated buttons for quickly switching modes or starting recording can make the camera easier to operate in fast-moving situations, especially during sports or outdoor adventures. Overheating has been a common complaint with action cameras, and GoPro may be addressing that with a new processor designed for better efficiency and thermal management. Combined with improved internal cooling, this could allow the camera to record for longer periods without performance issues. Battery life may also see improvements if the new processor proves more energy efficient. For travelers and outdoor creators, even small gains in battery performance can make a noticeable difference during long shooting days. Despite increased competition in the action camera market, GoPro remains one of the most recognized brands in the category. However, to maintain that leadership, the company needs to deliver meaningful upgrades that excite both longtime users and new creators. The Hero 14 Black could be that turning point. So between a potentially revolutionary lightweight drone and a major action camera upgrade on the horizon, the next generation of creator tools could be arriving sooner than many people expected. This channel is for people who want to stay ahead in Apple tech, drones, cameras, and creator gear not behind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.